So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very cute cupcake. And I'm sure there's many, many little ballerinas out there. I wasn't a ballerina, but I think you were.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here. I actually was not a ballerina. I was a tap dancer.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I did ballet
do
a little
Shuffle
bit,
Off to
but
Buffalo.
I wasn't really that good.
Remember Shuffle Off to Buffalo?
We've done so many videos.
Let's just see Shuffle Off.
They're so sick of seeing me shuffle off the buffalo.
It's so cute though. Look at her.
Pirouette.
Oh, okay. There she goes.
That's better.
All right. So here we have a beautiful. Why don't you tell everybody what you make, Crumb Boss?
Well, it's a ballerina cupcake, as you can see. She has her frilly little tutu and her little leotard, and we're going to show you how to decorate these easy cupcakes today.
Okay, so this is a vanilla cupcake.
Yes.
With pink buttercream.
That's right.
And maybe some modeling paste.
Exactly. Steph, the producer, is learning.
Yeah, it only took me a good couple
It's not web paste, it's modeling paste.
I know. I hurt my leg from the dance. Okay, I gotta... Yeah.
Okay, guys, so yes, as Steph said, we need some cupcakes. Your choice. I chose vanilla. You need some buttercream. And you do need some modeling paste. I don't recommend fondant because fondant does not dry hard like this stuff does. Look at this.
And fondant tastes disgusting.
Well, I mean, satin ice bread tastes good, but fondant tastes exactly like this modeling paste. So it's not a matter of taste, it's a matter of decoration choices. And so you're going to need some modeling paste or modeling chocolate. Some of you guys make your own. Very simple to do. I do buy mine.
Yes.
And I have a little bit
what
here.
What kind of baker buys a modeling paste?
Yeah.
First of all, she's not a baker, she's a pastry chef, you half-wits.
Alright, so get yourself some modeling paste, and you want to roll it out pretty thin, because first of all you have to make the little, you called it a t-shirt. It does look like a t-shirt, but it actually is like the top of the leotard.
A leotard.
Right.
I used to do gymnastics when I was little.
Yeah, and you wore a leotard, didn't you?
Yeah, I had a light blue one.
Yeah, I did gymnastics.
Yeah, if you weren't, who doesn't do gymnastics? You know.
True. I used to do backflips on a mattress that I would pull out to the backyard.
When my parents would buy like a refrigerator, I used to play in the box.
Yeah, oh, me too.
Yeah, that's cool. I love the box.
Let me show
Or they get furniture deliveries, you can play in all the big boxes.
Yeah, oh, totally.
Yeah, okay.
So, to do the t-shirt, I rolled out just a random shape. It doesn't have to be anything, but what you do want to do is cut the bottom of it first, because that's, let me put this next to it just to show you how we get from A to B. This is what we're going for. So you want to cut the bottom straight like that.
Yeah.
And then it's a little bit of a tapered, little cuts like that.
Okay.
And then you want to cut out pieces for the, it's hard for me to do it when I,
yeah,
because like my angles, yeah. So then that's why everything that I do ahead of time looks good, and everything I do on camera looks like crap, because I'm trying to like contort my body around the camera. But anyway, you guys get the idea. That's right.
Nothing
Deal
like
with it. Alright, so here we have the little sleeves, and if you can just bear with me, guys, we'll get there.
You're doing fine, I can see it.
You can see the cuts that I'm making? Okay, and then that across there. So then that's all garbage. Not garbage, we're going to re-roll it.
Yeah.
I have this little thing in my knife. Let me use this one. It has a little tab on it. Alright, so there's the sleeves.
Okay.
Just want to cut that straighter. And then what I did was I took this pastry tip as my little cutter to get the neck part out.
That's clever.
Okay? And there you have the top part of the leotard.
Oh, cute.
I made those the day ahead of time because I did want them to dry so that they would stand up in my cupcake, as you see on my finished one.
Yes.
That's why I did that. So I made the shirts, the little leotard tops first.
Okay.
But then, simply, to decorate the rest of it...
how did you get the skirt?
Yeah, we're going to take your cupcakes. I did a little bit of icing here just to sort of build it up. And then what I have is my pastry bag fitted with my number 104 tip, guys, which is a petal tip. That's a way that I made the daisy cupcakes. If you remember, I made daisy cupcakes.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically I'm just doing like these little petals all the way around. And then one more time, one more layer, because a ballerina's tutu, as they're called, is like that frilly, layered little frills. So I'll do that one more time.
Is that what you're wearing in the Halloween episode?
A tutu, yes.
Yes.
Because I'm going to be Steph, the producer ballerina.
Steph, the producer ballerina, yeah. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Yeah.
Trick or treat, you dope. Yeah, where do you see this?
Yeah, where do you see it? Oh, it's going to be banging. Okay, let me go back.
So here you go with the pedal tip.
Make sure you go over to the Halloween episodes, the Crumb Boss and the producer.
Yeah, we're going to do a little role reversal, guys.
Yeah, who's playing who?
All right, and now your shirt, I keep calling it a shirt now, the little leotard that you made ahead of time. I'm going to just stick those right in.
Gretchen, that's pretty.
Yeah, and then I fitted my pastry bag with the number 3 tip, also found in the Crumb Boss cake decorating kit on a little belt or something, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then I have these little edible sugar pop-ons. They're just made out of sugar, and it's sort of like a little flower decoration. That's completely optional, guys, but this is how you make ballerina cupcakes with the Crumb Boss.
So a cupcake like this is like $7.
That's right.
Okay, and it's as seen on YouTube.
Right.
And again, made by the Crumb Boss. These are beautiful cupcakes. You can get them here at Gretchen's Bakery, and find them.
My light bulb I got going on today.
Sure.
Yeah, there we go.
There we have them.
Yeah, that's really cute.
Pretty ballerina cupcakes, and you saw how easy I do it. We don't edit, guys, so this is in real time.
Exactly. We could do live television.
That's right.
The hell with all of you.
What was this, like 4 minutes to make 3 cupcakes? Like, if you have all your stuff ready to go, you could just do this very easily, guys.
Exactly.
Crumb Boss.